Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. The quote for today is risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. Okay, and in today's video you'll be seeing a very particular condition, very peculiar one, which has happened very rarely, and it chances are there it happens always. It's nothing but both our orders got triggered because there was fraction of a second. There was no much time for us to cancel the other order. But this is common. We have to come across this situation as well. That is the reason why we must know what is our risk. Our risk must be clear cut before we enter a trade. And let us go into today's live trading video. Before going, just want to give an update that Upstock is providing free account opening till April 19, that is this week full. So make use of the opportunity, use the link which I have provided in the description of this video, and also you'll be getting a surprise stock. And also a quick update about my options trading tactics. All of you who have taken up, today is the first adjustment in this month as of now, so hope you all have done your adjustments. Just make sure we have done our criteria has been met and we have done our first adjustment today. So without wasting much time, the stock selected was TCS, and you can see TCS is giving a very good range. It's showing a very good trend, and that is the reason we had taken a breakout, and as always target of 0.6% and a stop loss of 0.4%, and we kept both the orders, buy and the sell. Okay, so same target and stop losses and same quantity. We have to change the trigger and the price. Yeah, so both orders have been placed, and then you can see that by the time we looked into the screen, both the orders were triggered. It happens, we can't help it, and you can see that already we have reached to a level of 1500 minus 1500. That is, initial loss has been triggered, and then again it has moved into loss. So you can see then again it has come down to 374, and end of the day it has closed at 481 rupees profit. Okay, it was something which was unexpected. You can see there is no open orders, all are closed. It was something which was unexpected, but we can't help it. It is part of trading. So I just want you all to be aware that we'll be aware of all these kind of situations in the future as well. And without wasting time, let us quickly update into the Excel. The stock is TCS and the profit is 481. So whatever it is profit. Let us be happy with the profits. And the stock is, and the returns is almost reaching now 50% returns. And in case even if you remove the brokerage, I would say decent 20-25% returns every month consistently. This is the beauty of trading discipline. We can see that healthily we are trading with a perfect money management. Okay friends, so any other doubts, any confusion, you can always WhatsApp on my number 8095 876525. Thank you and have a nice day.